Kansas Giant up close and personal.
It's him, it's him. Did that just happen, dude?
Have you ever taken a buck from a ground blind? And if so, how close did he get? I'm Taylor Drury, and this is DoD TV.
This segment of DoD TV is brought to you by PSE's Carbon Air Experience Performance.
The fall of 2010 had DoD team member Doug Hampton playing cat and mouse with a giant Kansas buck. I mean, truly, this was a cat and mouse game. After several hunts waiting for that buck to show, him and his partner Rod Owen finally got a peek at him one afternoon.
It's November the 30th, and I parked my truck out here in the middle of this open field for a reason. We've actually got a creek that runs right down the edge of this field. Double Deuce, the deer I'm actually after, 3 days ago, it was using this creek line to get to a standing corn and standing beans half a mile. The problem is my food plot is down the tree line to the east. We're gonna try to park my truck here, and we're gonna try to actually force the deer. When he comes out, if he sees my truck, it's gonna actually push him up the fence line to my food plot. That's the plan. Whether that works or not, who knows? That's what we're gonna try this afternoon anyway. We'll see what happens. Small bucks and a couple of does coming right up the road towards us. Big buck right here, Rodney. It's him, it's him. Holy smoke. Did that just happen, dude? Did that just happen, dude? Dude.
God, I hope that's him that I seen over there.
Rodney. I just killed the buck of my lifetime, man. And I shot him with my brand new Bow Madness bow that I have got more confidence in than you could ever imagine. And I just killed the buck of my lifetime. Well, it has been a long night now. Didn't get any sleep. As you can imagine, hit him just a little bit back, and we're gonna get in here and we're gonna see if we can find this deer. I'm not gonna lie to you, there is not a lot of blood. I found just a few little old spots of blood. I'm gonna stay on this deer till I find him. I know he's the biggest deer I've ever shot, and I wanna find him some kind of bad. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, man. Oh my God, what a giant! Yeah! Giant! Holy smokes. 2 solid years I've been after this guy. And I guarantee you he has got a place on my wall. Or maybe a place in my bedroom.
That is truly a buck of a lifetime. Great job, Doug. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and watch out for new DoD TV episodes every week. Catch you later.